Are you really tired of going into Sephora and spending your money on high-end products that honestly are really awesome, only to find out that you might be able to have found a better product that saved you a ton of money and still keeps you looking pretty fancy in the drugstore? Well, if that's the case, then you're in the right place, because in today's video, we're picking back up on my series of must-have drugstore makeup, and today we're talking about some of my favorite lip products from Revlon. So stay tuned because it's coming your way right now. Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel if you've been here for a bit. If you are new, I am super glad that you are here today. My name is Lauren, and my channel is all about making beauty easy for the girl who thinks that she can't. My hope today is that you will consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you can get alerts every single time I upload new videos, which is every single Friday. And I'm also gonna ask that if you are super excited to still be in this series learning about amazing products from the drugstore, that you would smash that thumbs up button because it seriously helps me out so very much. With that said, I wanna go ahead and jump into today's product, which is a lip product from Revlon that I wanna share with you guys, and it's one of my favorites, and actually I've gotten a lot of questions about it on previous videos, mainly some of my older videos where I used this lip color all the time. And so I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about that today because it's probably one of my favorite investments, if you will, that I have made at the drugstore on a lip product. Now let me say this, I do have some future videos coming your way that are going to cover some other brands and some other formulations of lip products, because this one is definitely different than your normal liquid lipstick or a glossy lipstick or any of those things. So stay tuned because this series is pretty in-depth. I wanted to give you guys all of my favorite things, and sometimes it's multiple products, multiple foundations, multiple lip products, multiple palettes, that kind of thing. So stay tuned, it's coming your way. But for now, I want to talk about this Revlon product, and here we go. So I guess probably one of my first makeup videos that I did, and I'll link it for you above because it's kind of old. I did it last year. It was a fall makeup look, and everybody seemed to love this, wait, wrong one. This Revlon Colorburst matte balm that I used. And seriously, it seriously was one of my products. I think I said seriously twice in 2 seconds here. But it was one of my products that I tended to use all the time. Every time I created a makeup look or even did something neutral like this, I would put this on my lips, and that's what I have on today. It's this color right here, and it's in Sultry. And I want to give you guys some reasons why I love this product. And I grabbed two, and the reason I did is because this one is so worn down. Probably because, well, there's two reasons. One, I dropped it once, and so it fell on the ground and smashed the tip off, which sucks. So I wanted to show you what a tip should look like, because these are actually really easy to apply. This one is not, because I kind of, broke the tip down. But this is actually what the tip should look like. And so what you can see here, can you guys see that in front of me? Yeah, you can see it better when it's right from my face. So what you can do is you can see that the bottom actually twists up. This is what's really cool. So there's no sharpening, first of all. And you have that nice tip to go in and apply so that it doesn't get everywhere. I love that about this product. So for the one that I'm using, unfortunately, I don't have that. It's not I probably could try and DIY it and make a better tip for myself here, but I haven't. And you guys, I've had this again for quite a while, and look, I still have a ton left. It hasn't even, I don't know, I could probably get 65,000 more uses out of that. That might be exaggerating, but you know what I mean. It lasts a long time. So again, we've been talking about prices too of everything. And this product is actually about roughly a little over $6.75, somewhere around in there, depending on where you go to buy it. And I'll list it I'll drop these products down in the description box below for you so you can click online and kind of get reviews and see. And I'll even do both of these colors, even though we're talking about Sultry today. So I love this one because it really is nice. It goes with any look. And a couple of things that I wanted to share with you about this product are, the first thing is that it's really vibrant. Obviously, you can see that. And it is velvety. They go on so creamy and so smooth, but this is a matte balm. So what I like is that my lipstick looks matte, but it's not gonna dry my lips out like a liquid lipstick does. One of my biggest problems with doing liquid lipsticks is that I love them, but my lips get chapped, and they get chapped easily, and I drink a crap ton of water, so I don't really know why that happens. I also use lip scrubs, and I just feel like I'm constantly battling this dry lip thing on my lips. So liquid lipsticks are awesome, but sometimes I tend to steer away from them because I don't want that cracked dry skin look that I sometimes have. So this is one of those products that's really nice, that's matte. It's again what you like about the liquid lipstick is that typically well, not typically, they're matte lipsticks. So it dries and it can dry out your skin. Like that's the biggest thing about liquid lipsticks is after a while, you just kind of feel like your lips are, I don't know, not sunburned because it doesn't hurt, but the skin's real tight and it just feels very, like you have crusty, that sounds really bad too. Lipstick, it can feel a little bit crusty, I guess, with liquid lips. So basically what I love about this product is that it is a matte product, but it does not feel that way. It is a balm, so I'm gonna show you, it does kiss off. So if you don't like that, my lips are upside down now, but whatever. You probably won't like that it does kiss off, but I will say that I can do this 1,000 times and I still have almost like a stain to my lips, which is nice. I've went to restaurants and eaten. I obviously have had like drinks out of straws, and I don't really have to go back and reapply and reapply and reapply. And that's the beauty of having like a liquid lipstick as well. Those typically stay on when you eat and when you drink, so that's kind of nice. But I do like this one because it helps my lips stay moisturized with it being a balm, but it does give me a nice matte finish. Now, you guys probably can't see, but back behind me, let me skip my chair for a little bit. In my lipstick container back there, all those ones in the very back are other versions of the Revlon Colorburst. They have different variations of this particular product, and I can grab one. Ooh. So this one is like Just Bitten Kissable. This is a balm stain, and these are very different. I don't wear them that much because I don't know why, I just don't, and I love the colors, like what they look like, but I just don't like how they look on the skin, how they look on the lips. It doesn't really translate a lot of color or give a lot of color payoff. And I think that's what I really like about these, is that you do get a whole lot of color payoff on the lips. So let's see, I've got a couple of different notes down here. We talked about it being vibrant and velvety. It doesn't dry out your lips, keeps you moisturized. And then there are 10 shades of these. So I have 2. I can't even recall if I've seen a lot of the other shades or why I haven't bought them, to be honest. I'm actually, after I film this video, I'm gonna go back and look at that to see if there's any shades that I would actually like to have besides these 2. Sultry has definitely been my favorite one that I have bought. And it is hard to find in a store, so definitely check the link below if this is the one that you want, because I have had the toughest time finding it in the drugstore. So we've talked through some of the reasons why I love this. Why don't I actually show you guys on the back of my hand? Just ignore what I swatched a minute ago with that other one. But let's kind of show you how exactly these apply. Obviously I have it on my lips so you can see that, but I kind of want to show you what it does look like as it glides on. So, whoops, let's go ahead and turn this back. Okay, so my like non-pointy one, but it is my favorite. So, I mean, amazing, right? Like, and I went 1, 2, 3, but I probably could just do 2 strokes, 1 stroke even, and you're gonna get a really nice velvety, and then of course it's gonna be very vibrant. And then, so let's look at this other one that's kind of more pinky. That's just 1 swipe, obviously, you can see that. So they really go on super, super well, and you're just gonna get a really, really nice color payoff. And I think that might be why they last so long, is because you get so much out of the application that you put on your lips. And like I said, it does stay. I will have this on all day long, drinking and eating, and if I feel like touching it up, I can, but I really don't have to. It kind of stains the lips a little bit. So my question for you down in the comments is, I would really love to know what your favorite lip products are. And really what I'm interested in is, because I have a few other videos that I'm filming on other brands and other lip formulations, I'm interested to see if some of you guys are gonna like mention some of the products that are actually coming out in future videos. So please, let's connect down in the comments and tell me what your favorite lip product is that you love from the drugstore. With all of that said, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this must-have drugstore makeup product that we are talking about today. And so what I'm gonna ask is that if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, that you would go ahead and do that now so that you don't miss future videos. And of course, please connect with me on social media. You know I love to get to know you guys there. I also have this Facebook group that I really love communicating with y'all in, and I would really love for you to consider joining it today. You can click down in the description box below to actually grab the link, but this community is for girls that are just like you and me, where we actually share tips and tricks and memes, products we love, products we hate. Once a month, I go live for my show called Contour and Converse, where I create a makeup look in real time with you, and sometimes we do hair if we've got enough time. And of course, I just started like a new mini series, or like weekly gathering, I don't even know what to call it really, other than it's called Masking Monday, so I do know that part. And what this is this is just a great way for us to mask together, and I really started doing it, to be honest, like I told everyone in the group, It's mainly for accountability for me because I suck at masking every week and it's something that I really need to do. So every Monday night we are actually just sharing, I'm trying to go live in that time and share a little video of my mask and then of course talk about what I'm using. And I love connecting with you guys that way. So if this sounds like a group that you would love to be a part of, go ahead and click that link like I mentioned a few seconds ago and join us for the next time that we get together. And I think that's gonna be a wrap. So I will actually see you next Friday in my next video. #Reform Tomboy Family. I'll see you soon.